In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp button to your WordPress website with the Social Chat plugin. So I'm going to install the Social Chat Click to Chat app button. It says WhatsApp Chat allows you to enhance customer engagement, integrate WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business with a single click. And it has 200,000 active installations. So I'm just going to hit install now. And it's installing. It has been installed and I'm going to activate it. So it takes me directly to the plugins page. And as I scroll down, I will find the Social Chat plugin. As you can see, it has a premium version. So let's check what the premium version has. So I'm just going to open this in a new window. And it takes me to the quad layers page. And from here, I can see they have several plugins. And as I scroll down on this Social Chat page, I can see watch a quick video. Let me just go ahead and hit play.
Do you want to boost communication and increase sales on your website? Good news! We have the perfect solution for you. Social Chat is a WordPress plugin that allows you to set up a chat box on your website which connects directly to your WhatsApp number. WhatsApp is the fastest growing messaging application in history, with more than 2 billion active users worldwide. Now, thanks to our plugin, with a single click on your website, your customers can start a conversation with one of your agents directly on WhatsApp, like two buddies. Social Chat is the perfect solution for all your customer support needs. You can create unlimited agent accounts with their names and labels to provide users with direct contact with the different support areas of your site. You can also include a chat box for each agent where users can type their first message directly to the WhatsApp number. Social Chat lets you track conversions via Google Analytics, create WhatsApp leads, organize support areas with different contacts, integrate it with WooCommerce, and lets you customize colors and layout settings so that everything looks perfect. Serve customers faster, better, and more efficiently by engaging them in a conversation on their preferred channel. Try Social Chat right now. Allow users to contact you directly.
All right, so it looks pretty good. And I'm going to continue to scroll down here. So these are some of the features included. And if I scroll down, it also explains a little bit more about those features. And it has more features here at the bottom. Now on the left side of my WordPress panel, I find the Social Chat section. So I'm just going to click on Social Chat and it opens up a new window. Is the welcome window. So it brings us to this page. And as you can see, there are several options: welcome, premium, button, box, theme, and analytics. So I did notice that this plugin has a lot of premium features. So if you really want to use this plugin to its maximum capabilities, then you'll have to upgrade to premium. If I scroll on a little bit, I can go to the demo section. Let me just go ahead and hit view demo. And it actually opens up a page where it shows you the button style. So you have rounded and you have square. And the layout, you have rounded and square as well. So I'm going back to WordPress and underneath documentation. So you can go through the documentation and it will have instructions for several things that you need to configure or set up with this plugin. I'm just going to go back, and it also has an option for get support, and you will have to create an account in order to receive the necessary support. So from here, I'm going to come down to the button section, and on the button, it has 4 tabs: contact, button, availability, and visibility. So underneath the contact tab, the options are to enter the phone number, and this phone number is entered in international format. So you'll actually just delete this number and just enter your phone number starting with the area code of your country. That's what I'm going to do now. And as I told you before, there are plenty of options. For example, this one here, it says this is a premium feature. It talks about the phone option. This section, you will enter the welcome message that is sent to the user in the chat box. So by default, the message here is, hello, I am testing the Social Chat plugin. And you can use variables like the site title, the site URL, site email, current URL, current title. I'm just going to leave this information just as is. So in order to advance to the button section, I just have to scroll down or touch the button link up here. And here we can see the position for this button, whether it's set to the right or to the left or to the middle. So let me just go ahead and select middle right. And as you can see, it changes and the settings are saved one time. I can also select bottom left. So it changes here and I can change it back to bottom right. So all the changes are saved automatically. Next option is layout. And I can either set it to button, which is the default, or bubble. Let me just go ahead and select bubble to see what it looks like. So that is what the bubble looks like. I'm just going to select the button again, and I can choose if I want the borders rounded. So I can say remove rounded border, or I can actually just add rounded border. These options here are only for premium users. It's basically to change the icon size or the animation. The text that goes on the button says, "How can I help you?" And as you can see, that is what it says here. Let's see how this text looks with the bubble layout. So as you can see, it also says, "How can I help you?" So just go ahead and choose whichever one you want. I'm just going to set it back to bubble button. I'm going to scroll down to the availability tab. And as you can see, all options here are for premium users. You can choose a time zone if you wish, available days. So that will say which days you're available or not, available hours, and visibility. Just keep in mind, you will have to upgrade to the premium version if you want to have these features unlocked. The next option here is WhatsApp link type desktop. So you can actually select web open in browser if you wish, or you can integrate it with an API. I'm going over to the visibility tab, and from here I can choose for it to be shown on all devices, or perhaps in mobile devices only, or desktop devices only, or hide in all devices. So let me just leave it as show in all devices. This other section here, target, is for you to include or exclude the appearance of the button on several sections of your website. For example, posts, pages, categories, or tags. These are typical sections of your website, and you can include or exclude the appearance of the button on these sections. So I'm now going to open up my WP Chat Solutions website. So as you can see, it's loading, and I'm expecting to get the green button on the lower right corner in a couple of seconds. And let's see if the button appears on the lower right corner. So there you go. The button did appear, and it says, "How can I help you?" And what I'm going to do is touch that button, and I expect that it will take me to WhatsApp. So it's taking me directly to WhatsApp, and I can just go ahead and modify this message or just hit the send button so it send a message. So as you can see, that is how to add a WhatsApp button to your WordPress website with the Social Chat plugin. But now stay with me to watch more videos about WordPress chat solutions.